How to use coupons on Shein. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app on your mobile phone and then simply go to your cart. So you're gonna have to simply click on it, and then the next step is to simply click on the checkout now button, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your shipping address. So you're gonna have to enter your first and last name, then your phone number, and then your zip code here, as you can see. Then simply choose the state, then the city, and here at the bottom your address, and then simply click on save. So after you do that, you're gonna see this section here, which is coupon code. So you're gonna be able to basically enter a coupon code and apply the coupon code, and then you're gonna get a discount on your Shein order. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.